What do you want?
Well, I see you got snakes and sparklers, but you got any of the good stuff? You know, anything that goes boom?
All we have are snakes and sparklers.
Wait. So you're gonna sit there and tell me that you run a fireworks stand, you ain't got no freaking laser sharks, no pure fantasies, no vampires, blood executioners, big snaps or little snaps, or any cake parties?
Nope, we don't have any of those because all I like are snakes and sparklers.
Man, these tents suck. Keep looking around. Hey, do these guys do buy one get one free?
Don't tell me you fall for that scheme. You know they just double or triple the prices, or then they give you the buy one get one free. You don't really get a good deal. They're just ripping you off. This place has no gimmicks, just honest, low, fair prices, and the best selection, and the great staff to assist you. And they're locally owned and operated. We always come to Freedom Fireworks.